Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the music or the voiceover or the sound in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you want to open the recent projects, you can also do that, but we are going to click on the new project option here. And after that, we have to choose the videos here. For example, I'm going to choose some random clips here. Let's choose these. And now simply we have to click on the create option. And after that, our videos will be imported. So I'm going to click on the create. So as you can see now the videos are the imported, they have no sound. So simply we have to import the sound here. Now what we have to do, as you can see, we have double click here, or you can press the Control I, and now we have to choose the audio files or the sound files wherever you have. For example, I'm going to choose this here, and now we have to click on the open, and the audio file is imported here. Now simply we have to drag this here, and I'm going to put this here. So as you can see now we are here. Now if you want to play this, now you can play the music and see the preview. So as you can see now we are going to make this here. And now if you want to make a cut, simply we have to choose this tool here, and I'm going to click on this, as you can see. And now we have to take this tool again, and we have to select this, and we have to delete this part. So as you can see now the music is added here. So in this way you can add a music or the voiceover. So in this way you can add a music or the voiceover in your video in the Adobe Premiere Pro, and after that you just have to export it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.